Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So, today I am going to show you something really nice. So, like those who follow me for a long time know once upon a time I had a website, kurdishlessons.com. It was not really handy. I couldn't share what I want there, and my brother was trying to manage it. It was really hard for both of us because he's really far from me. He's in US, I am in Medellin, so it is hard to communicate each time. And then I decided to have a new one. And one of my lovely friend, I really love him, so he made a new website for Kurdish lessons. Yes, maybe you saw it, I don't know. So today I want to show you how to use our new website because there are many nice things inside, and I want you to see them, use it, just to guide you. I want to show you how to use it, basically, how it works, why, what is new there, what is our next project, etc. So if you are ready, let's start. First, you have to open your browser, of course. So our website is called KurdishLessons.com. KurdishLessons.com. So now, when you enter, you will see a nice page. So here, then. So here, there are many sections like home, about us, blog, courses, and contact. So when you enter, when you just open the website, you see at the left side, there is a box for you to reach us. So if you have any question, just you can write me from here. I will directly get it. Okay? Yeah. And by the way, so it is just to have a contact with us. You need to just write your name and your email, and we will get it. Okay. So, for example, to start lessons, if you have free time and if you want to start lessons, just write here, and we immediately answer you. And when we go further, so you see here there are current courses. So these current courses, it means now we are giving this course, okay? Our upper intermediate course starts 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks ago. And now when you enter, this is our upcoming courses. It is our current courses, one of our current courses. And next you see upcoming courses. So in February, we have beginner course, advanced practice course, a new upper intermediate course, and elementary course. Let's say you want to join beginner course, okay? So here you click beginner course, and now, so here they're here it's starting date 26, and when you go further, you see that there are two options to buy. Okay, so first option is live classes, and the second one is recorded class. So what does it mean? So when you buy live classes, when you enroll this course, so you join lessons and you are able to speak with us, like it's live sessions. Okay, we do it on Zoom 3 times a week. And you have the opportunity to practice with us and directly ask your questions to your teacher. But when you buy recorded class, so you get all materials, all recordings, and extra self-study materials. But here you don't join lessons. I mean, you watch the recordings and you get materials one day after the lesson day. Okay, for example, our first let's say our first section will be on Wednesday, so you will get the materials on Thursday, other day. Okay, so we created these recorded classes. It is new for us, so there are many people who live really far from us, right? So there's a huge time difference, and it is really hard for people to join lessons. So if for those who can't join lessons but wants to get all materials and recordings, and for those who are shy, don't want to speak in the class, they prefer watching later, like just studying by themselves. And of course, these recorded classes are cheaper than live classes. It's just like half, okay? So for those who cannot afford like 300 for a course for a level, we decided to give like this option. So I am sure that it will help people a lot. So it is something new. Okay, we are really excited for this new option for our students. Okay, so it was one of the things I wanted to show you: live classes, recorded classes. And you know, these recorded classes, so they are for forever. So once you buy and you use it until you die. I mean, yeah, forever. Yeah. So it was one of the things that I want to show you. It's about courses. So we have same option for elementary, for upper intermediate, but just we don't have this option for advanced practice course, because it is this course is more for speaking and for reading, and we decided to just just to offer live sessions for this course. Okay, and here there are some self-study courses. So it is a new website, so we are like adding something new each day, every day. So here there is a 30-day Kurdish challenge for intermediate level, which I did in on January, and it was really good. Like almost all participants had good feedback. It was really nice to hear from them. There are dialogues, news, takes about people, places. So if you want to just improve your vocabulary skills, reading skills, you can just buy this one, and you will get 30 reading texts with exercise with vocabulary list. So it is with it. And for March, we have new one. It's for elementary level, 30-day Kurdish challenge. Okay, so of course, this one will be easier than previous one. Yeah. And what else? Here, there is latest blog posts. So here you see many things like emizar in Kurdish. So here you see more grammar topics, vocabulary, or videos like learning materials. Okay, for example, emizar in Kurdish. Let's click. So you click here and it takes you to another page. Here, it is a grammar topic, emizar. So here there is it's one of our video from YouTube that we did. And here there is like an explanation for those who don't understand, okay? So you can have a look at it. There are examples like translations. And then the most exciting part is just this part, quizzes. So you see, so you study your like topic and you want to practice, right? And you want to see if you understood it. So here, for example, it says fill in the missing words. Okay. Mala min dur dure, or ma moste ba shin, the teachers are fine, or ba vemin ne mereki dreje. So after you did this one, you go further and you can say check. And when you check, it shows if it was correct or not. Okay. So it is something new for us, and I am trying to add something new, a new quiz, a new video, a new reading text, a new grammar topic every day, because I really want to build this website. Like I want it to be a like online school, you know. It is like it will be our school where we teach, where we show, where we share our materials, and we offer courses. So that's why I am really excited. So you can do the same for like Hayya Hana, there is quiz for these, and daily routines in Kurdish. Let's have a look at this topic. So here you go. There is a here video again. And then there are pictures. So I sometimes share my lesson materials as well, because not everyone can afford a course, right? So I am trying to share my materials just to help people, for those who want to learn Kurmanji, okay? And so it was one of our blog writing. And here, for example, you want to learn fruits, okay? Here it says learn while playing. So here you see fruits: برتقال, tree, خوخ, مشمش, mandarin, okay? And here there is a game, yes, for example. Kijan fakiye. Let's have a look at this faki. So it is save, an apple. So you will say save, check, yes, correct. So you see, there are some games where you can learn vocabulary while playing. So all these games, quizzes are prepared by me. I really enjoy creating. I am in love with creating, okay? Like with doing something new, just to think about a new project, a new material, a new quiz. So it was one of our games. And what else do we have? Let's go. Oh, pardon. No, not dashboard. So since I'm an admin, I can go dashboard, but you cannot go dashboard. Okay. So I need to click site. Oh, give me a second. Now I will manage. Yeah, this is site. So you see, it is something new. We are really happy. We are really excited because, yeah, it's a new project for us. So we saw courses, we saw how to use blog. And if you have any questions, just contact us, okay? And here, like our team, and here what our students said, just some of them. And here, you may know that I share a weekly Kurdish newsletter, Kurdish lessons newsletter, every Sunday, early in the morning. So if you want to get these newsletters, there I do announcements, I share learning materials, I share new videos, like some others videos from other YouTube channels, like songs, everything. So if you want to subscribe, just you have to write your email here and you have to agree, and then you will subscribe us. So it is our new website. So as I said, if you want to learn like grammar, if you want to play games in Kurmanji, so I suggest you to check the website once a week, twice a week, because I'm trying to share something new every day, okay? Yeah, it's one of my aim, just to share something new here, a video, a writing, a story. For example, you say blog, let's say, learn Kurdish with short stories. Okay, let's have a look at this part. So you come here, and it says Chauffeur in Gundan reading the Kurdish story. So here it is our like video, and I will add here. No, when you say read more, you see like the story itself. So it's by Hassaneh Mateen. I mean, you can just read it and listen to it from our YouTube. So it's a good place to improve, to advance, to brush your Kurmanji skills. Yeah, that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you how to use our new website. Don't forget, it is called KurdishLessons.com. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice week. Hopefully one day we will meet in our courses. Paka paka.